We guide you through how to set a custom status on Discord on both PC and mobile. So we'll start on the desktop version by opening Discord, clicking your profile icon at the bottom left, selecting Set a Custom Status, typing your message, choosing an emojis if you want, and setting how long the status will stay active before saving it. Then, we'll move to mobile where you simply open the Discord app, tap your profile icon, choose Set a Custom Status, enter your text, add emojis, select the duration, and tap Save to apply it instantly. This works on both Android and iPhone, and you can change or clear your status anytime. So that's it.